8 common signs a sow will show when it is on heat. This is the right time for you to cross-sell. Subscribe, like and share. 1. Restlessness and discomfort. So a sow on heat may become more restless and may walk around the pen more frequently. 2. Increased rubbing and scratching on structure and objects. So when a sow is on heat, it always scratches its body on the pen structure and other objects. This is because of the hormone changes the sow is having. 3. Mounting other cells or allowing other cells to mount it. So this is just a clear indication that it is ready for crossing. They are always looking for physical contact, and sometimes they come closer to human being just for the human being to touch them when they are on heat. 4. Making noise. So when a sow is on heat, they always make a lot of noise calling for a boar. So this is another sign you also look out for when a sow is on heat. They make a lot of noise just to attract the attention of a boar. 5. Swollen vulva of the sow. So this is one of the most noticeable physical contact of a sow when it is on heat. Notice that the vulva becomes swollen and it's large and it's reddish and it is standing out than usual. 6. Mucus discharge from the vulva. So sometimes they have a clear mucus or a straw-colored mucus that comes out from the vulva when they are on heat. 7. When you apply pressure at the back of the sow, it stands still. It will be at one place and it will not move. This is another sign you should look out for. 8. Increased appetite. They eat a lot sometimes when they are on heat. Guys, thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe and I'll see you in my next video.